What if you could deliver beautiful digital experiences that are personalized for your customers and partners? With Experience Cloud, you can build sites, portals, and forums faster than ever. Start from a selection of pre-built templates, like a self-service community where your customers can help each other, increasing case deflection and customer engagement. Or a personalized portal where your customers can securely access data and take action on any device. Extend the power of your CRM data to your partners so they can manage their business and sell faster. And because you're building a digital experience on Salesforce, you can extend your CRM to everyone in your community. Drag and drop components, content, and processes. Change the look and feel of your experience to make sure it's on brand and pixel perfect. And use your CRM data to personalize it for every user. You can develop your own custom components and themes. Even access pre-built components and solutions on the App Exchange to innovate faster. Build beautiful, CRM-powered experiences fast with Experience Cloud.